Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to build a simple website using GetResponse. No coding skills needed. Plus, you can try GetResponse for free, just use the link in the description to follow along. First, log into your GetResponse account. On the dashboard, click on the Website Builder tab. This is where you'll create your website. Once you pick a template, you can customize it however you like. Change colors, fonts, and images. Edit text to match your content. Add or remove sections to fit your needs. The drag-and-drop editor makes this super easy. Now, add the important stuff, your text, images, videos, and forms. You can also insert call-to-action buttons to guide visitors toward your goals. Your website should look great on any device. GetResponse automatically optimizes it for mobile, but you should preview it on different screens to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with the design, click Preview to see how it looks. If everything is good, hit Publish to make your website live. And that's it. You've just built a simple website with GetResponse in a few easy steps. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description for a free trial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.